Mr. Michael Dillard.
I was down, but
Come on, Mike.
Unemployed on a Friday, a U.S. diplomat on a Monday. A story that's hard to believe, right?
Burnout is real. Trust me, I know. As a U.S. diplomat, working nonstop, from working in the Dominican Republic to Zambia to Afghanistan, managing $20 million financial transactions that only would be released if my name was on it, and then off to the Democratic Republic of Congo and South Africa, where I burned out. The pressure.
It's not about how many times you fall down, it's about how many times you get back up. Nelson Mandela said, "Don't judge me by my success, judge me by how many times I get back up."
Freedom, he captivates the audience the second he walks out on stage, taking his personal childhood life of poverty all the way through his time as an accidental U.S. diplomat traveling the world with his family to his success now and sharing his experiences as a speaker. If you don't got him booked, you're sitting on the sidelines and you're only hurting yourself. Get him now.
Organizations book me because I have over 20 years of global leadership experience. I upskill leaders who are looking to motivate their staff in order to reduce staff turnover.
But it was when I went back and I got that master's degree in accounting, I became a U.S. diplomat, one of only 15,000 people out of 330 million people in America. Imagine that. So when they say dream big, have big ideas, I want you to dream big. Think of one thing that you can do today to take action. Because tomorrow when you wake up, you'll be one step closer to your dreams.